Good morning, sir. Uh, as you have already heard that we are from the Department of Assamese, and we are probably supposed to give our presentation in Assamese, but for convenience we are doing it in English. And so only because of that I am trying to give my presentation in English. And before going to the presentation, I just okay, sir. So I want to introduce my colleague. She is So she is Dr. Josna Devi. He is Mr. Hamchandra Mili. He is from Upper Assam. She is from Middle Assam, and also she is from nearby Guwahati, Nikomoni Das. As you know, sir, that Assamese is a 8th scheduled language, and recently it's our happiness that our Assamese language has been declared as a classical language with other 5 languages of India. And I will not take more time. This is the history of the department as it was introduced in 1964 along with the college establishment. So simultaneously we impart teaching in higher secondary also, and major course was introduced in 66, and mission and vision already actually we are dedicated to acquaint the students with the Assamese culture, language, and etc. And these are former faculties. Some of the faculties are prominent, and their books are been given as a reference book from Guwahati University. Among them, Dr. Dhiren Das, he is the father of Dr. Kalyan Das. He was our former faculty member, and his book has been recommended by the Guwahati University. Another prominent faculty, that is Dr. Dijendranath Bhakot. He is now currently president of Rajbangshi Sahitya Sabha, and his book is also recommended by the Guwahati University. So we do participate in following ways. We used to do set question papers for UG program in external as well as internal examination. Our engagement in assessment and evaluation process in the university, affiliating university, and we also design and develop the curriculum of add-on courses. So our faculty ensures the effective curriculum delivery. Like this way, we do prepare a daily class routine based on the central class routine provided by the principal. We do course distribution, follow the academic calendar as well, and conduct the continuous internal evaluation. We do have teachers' diary, and also we maintain a HOD's diary. Remedial and tutoring classes are taken and records are maintained, and mentor-mentee interaction is introduced in our. This is the sample of our departmental routine, and we do distribute our course in this way. And this is the academic calendar from 2019 to 2024. We have uploaded this in our Assamese department website. And continuous evaluation, we do have the process. There is a sample question paper as well as sample answer script. This is the marks folio, and we do have a mechanism of redressal of students' grievance. So exam related grievance is being redressed by our department. So just a sample copy is given here. So this is the sample of the teacher's diary. Remedial and tutorial classes are taken and records are maintained in this way, and mentor-mentee list is there, and just a list is given here. Okay. So in curriculum enrichment, we do have certain cross-current issues in the syllabus, and that is basically in some papers, and this paper has been shown here: BA 3rd semester, BA 4th semester regular, and then BA 5th semester honors, 6th semester, and also in the 4-year undergraduate courses. So the cross-cutting issues is there. So we do have also project work for our students. This is curriculum based, and project of SEC 3rd semester, SEC 4th semester, 5th semesters in 6th semester, and only in the honors course 6th semester projects are there. And this is the long list of the students who have undertaken project. SEC skill enhancement course. Yes. Okay, so this is only the record of the honors students from 2018, and this is 2019, accordingly 2022 and 23, and this year also we have put the information here. So this is the enrollment status of our department, and student teacher ratio, to some extent it is a matter of worry that in 2023, 24 and 24-25 the number of students raised abnormally high, and it shows like that. And this is the result of our honors student only we have. So this is the honors, and we do have some seminar, workshop and field work participation of our students this way. So this is the field trip to see Surya Pahar. It's a prominent place in old undivided Gauripur district. Also we have visited some of the shatras that was established by Shankar Dev and his disciples. So recently we have visited some Ramrai Kuti Shatra, and our faculties use the smart classroom in this way. And add-on and certificate course, although we do have add-on course in 22-23 we started an add-on course, but it's a matter of fact that we have not shown in the SSR, as because at that time we sent the same proposal with a slight modification. We sent this proposal to the Guwahati University, and they have approved our add-on course as SEC course. So ultimately the add-on course was not counted, and but from this year we have started a new course, that is certificate course in terracotta arts, that is prominent art in our locality. So this is the syllabus of that particular course we have shown here. We do have 4 full-time teachers, PhD, 2 PhD holders is there. I do have PhD as well as MPhil, and net slate, all are having net slate. This is the faculties. Publication of the teachers, I do have publication. I have edited 2 numbers of books, but this is not in the assessment year, but I have publication of 8 numbers of UGC care listed journal, and also we do have large number of extension activities in our department, particularly with student related, student participatory learning we do used to maintain, and this is the number we have shown here. Again, this is extension activities, field trip to Jinkata Rajwa Chhatro, and we do have a coaching mechanism in our department, so that after completing the honors 6th semester they can enter in the PG courses in the universities. So we used to maintain, we have started it from 2023 and 24 we have completed it, and 3 number of students come out with flying colors and they have admitted in the university. So again we do have a faculty exchange, intra-faculty exchange program. Actually in the presentation of IQAC coordinator, just I have learned that faculty exchange is to some extent another thing, but we do have the practice of inviting faculties from other department. This is Dr. Amitabh Ranjan Kani from English department. He was invited to give a lecture on Usha Priyambada's Bapsi short story, and we do used to do extension activities like essay competition. We do have a departmental souvenir that was released in 2023. So we organized a multilingual poets meet. We also organized a talk on river culture and humanitarian crisis. We invited a research scholar from IDSK, Institution of Development Studies, Kolkata, and he was presenting the lecture on top river culture and humanitarian crisis. So we do use to observe the International Women's Day in our department. International Mother Language Day, each and every year we used to observe it. So this is our wall magazine, and this is the book donation ceremony. One of our alumni as well as former colleague. She used to donated some book to our department, and this is the World Magazine of 2024. So we do also organize farewell to our ex-colleagues, that is Dr. Geeta Sarkar and Dr. Dhiren Chandra Burman. We do have a move with other institutions like AR College, this is nearby college, and activities, AR College faculty came to our college and they took classes on. So this is the students' progression. Although we don't have any strict mechanism on maintaining the records, even some of the ex-students who are constantly in contact with us, and we also used to contact them, and this is the student progression record we have shown up to 23, this is shown here, and some of the distinguished alumni of our department is Dr. Dijendranath Bhakot, Dr. Geeta Sarkar, she was also our colleague, and Nitai Chandra Rai is the associate professor in Silarai College, Runumi Chakraborty, she is assistant professor in Halakura College. Again, she is from Pragati College, Devajani Shil, she is a singer, and last year she recognized from Coach Rajbangshi Sahitya Sabha as the best singer. And Sangeeta Pal, she is also our alumni, and she worked with us in this department also. And Shahnaz Akhtar, she is a research scholar in Guwahati University, and he is a subject teacher. And Farooq Abdullah, he is pursuing a PhD. And Sabiquzzaman, he has completed his law and practicing in Dhubri court. Rafiquzzaman, he is a subject teacher. Nasiruddin Talukdar, he is a ITPB, I think he is working in Maharashtra. So again, Nazrul Islam Talukdar, he is also in ITPB. Tarali Sharma and Mukti Tiwari, both are working in a junior college. So although it's poor, we do have a departmental library, and we used to give books to our students. This is stock analysis. And large number of students is our strength, of course, and students receive support from the central as well as departmental library. Qualified and dedicated teachers are there. Continuous evaluation and mentoring system is in practice. So we do have certain weakness, a lack of adequate teacher, as because you have seen that 1:35:1 is the ratio last 2 years. So opportunities we do have, language and cultural varieties of the students is here. So it's our opportunity to work with them. Opening of PG courses is also a opportunities. Cultural tourism plan is in a fertile opportunity. We do have a certain plan in our department that will monitor our students in the cultural tourism. So challenges is also there. Poor economic background, of course, is a challenge, and dropout of the students is there, and student strength, sometimes it also becomes challenge. So we do have certain plan for the department to introduce a PG course in the department, to publish an e-magazine, to publish a research journal, to start certificate course on Assamese DTP, to establish Pratima Pandey folk musical hub in the department, as because you know that Pratima Pandey is the local pioneer of Gwalparia folk song, as well as she is a prominent folk singer of this locality. And thank you, and I also welcome you to our department to visit. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Nice. So government of Assam is giving a lot of research opportunities for Assamese language. Have you tried to approach this AS Tech?
I personally, ma'am, did 2 minor research projects. One, a comparative study on Rajbangshi and Hajong language, and another, as because you know that a plenty of shore areas in our locality. In Dhubri district itself, you will find 372 shores. Shores means it's a riverine area of river Brahmaputra, and I have worked with the people and submitted the research.
So many projects that they have offered from the government.
Exactly, ma'am.
Especially through this AS Tech, then some CERT.
Yeah.
All those are specific for Assamese language.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, we will try.
You have to look into that because it may, you get priority.
Okay.
If you apply, you get priority and it will be given to you.
Okay.
That is what it says. So Have you given any proposal which has not
Right now, no
in
proposal.
the last 5 years?
No.
That is something we should look at.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
At least a aesthetic new trial book.
Okay.
That is completely by the government of Assam.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.